Dear students, when you just open your mobile, this kind of interface will be appearing. And to use Google Classroom, it is important to download Google Classroom first from the Play Store or the App Store. After downloading it, you will find the Google Classroom on your mobile interface. Just click on Google Classroom and then you will be able to see your class. You can sign in or you can log in with the help of your registered email, and after logging in you will find this kind of interface in Google Classroom. Okay, in order to see that what kind of announcements are being made, this will be appearing here on your mobile. Let's suppose there is a notification that new material, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde, it was uploaded yesterday. You find that there is a PDF file here. You can save this file as well, and you can also download it as well. Okay, in the next notification we find that there is a new assignment by Happy Prince by Umair Ahmad Khan, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. This is an assignment, so you can just click on that and you will find that there is an option that add work. You can also see that due date is 9 July and it's 23:59. That can be 12 at night. Okay, there are different questions that are being asked here in this assignment, and this assignment you can find that it has 10 points, and 10 points means 10 marks. Add work, you click on add work and you find different options. Again, camera, you can click the picture as well, and you can also add a file from the Google Drive, or you can scan it. You can create a link as well, and you can create anything. But the file, as we know that the file is available in our phone, so you can just click on the upload option and you'll find different options. Let's suppose there is a screenshot on the top. I'm just adding that. Okay, I have added this screenshot and this interface will be appearing. Okay, please wait until all files have been uploaded to your work to turn into your work. Okay, that's fine. Now it has been uploaded. As you can see that this is being uploaded, so you can add comments as well to your teacher. Okay, now you are just turning in this assignment. You can add more slides, or you can add more PDF files or documents as well. Now you are going to turn in this assignment. Turn in, yes, I want to turn it. Okay, the assignment has been turned in. Work submitted. Okay, that's fine. You just minimize this and you find that your work has been handed in or submitted. You can also make this, if for example if mistakenly you have submitted the wrong assignment, you can unsubmit it from here. You can unsubmit and then you can resubmit after finding the right option. So this is how you can use this Google Classroom. In order to see the notification, you can open the mobile main interface, where you will find different options. The announcement option is only for the teacher. Please keep this in mind. Thank you very much. Thank you.